Whether you're trying to start a gaming channel on YouTube or if you're trying to just show what is on your screen to your YouTube viewers, you need to have a screen recorder in your PC. And there are not many screen recorders available in the web that are reliable. There are few screen recording softwares that are very reliable, and I have created a list of 5 very reliable and very useful screen recorders that are available in the internet. So before we start this video, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first screen recorder in the list is the Windows 10 Xbox Game Bar. If you have a relatively new Windows 10 PC or a Windows 10 laptop, you should be having an app that is the Xbox app when you press on the start button. It is technically a gaming feature, but there are no restrictions on how you are going to use the Xbox Game Bar. To use it, first open the Xbox app and then click Windows plus G simultaneously, and then you get to see a Windows Xbox bar that is going to be asking you a question: is this a game? Click on yes, this is a game, and then you get to record your screen. Not all devices on the Windows 10 PC are going to be supporting this feature. So that is the only reason we have created the next few screen recorders that are coming in the list. The second software in the list is the OBS Studio. This is the most advanced screen recorder that is available in the internet, and the best part is this is a free screen recording software. It allows you to have full screen recording, the full screen size of the monitor recording, and has a built-in support for streaming whenever you want to go live. It might take some time for you all to understand how this app is, but once you understand how to use this app, you are never gonna go back from this app. The third screen recording software in the list is the FlashBack Express. This is another software which is a free screen recording software, and this is a very flexible and customizable screen recording software that is available in the internet. Once you have this software installed on your PC, all you need to do is click on the record button for a list of customizations. Here you can choose whether you want to record the full screen size of the monitor or a small portion of the monitor which you prefer to have recorded. There is also an option where you can put on a webcam over here so that it can see and add both the videos, screen recording as well as the webcam recording as well. The fourth software in the list is called SnagIt. This is one of the paid apps, so it's gonna cost you around like $50, which is around 4,300 rupees in Indian currency. But this software is for starters, it is not for professionals. But if you need to create a video for your software products or for your vlogs or for something that is related to video in YouTube animated videos, this app does support a lot of video features like animation or editing and all, apart from being a screen recorder. The last screen recording software is Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint does support screen recording, but only if you have the latest Office 365 installed on your Windows 10 PC. Once you open the Microsoft PowerPoint app, all you need to do is click on the insert button and click on screen recording. After that, you can select the area you want to screen record, that is either the full screen size or a small portion that you want to record. But it has one simple drawback, that is it has a limited editing features that are available in this app. So these are the best screen recording softwares that are available in the internet right now, and if you want to start your YouTube gaming channel, I would probably recommend you go for OBS Studio or FlashBack Express. These are both free and very customizable as well. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.